And I remember Mrs. Vincent Astor, like the Mrs. Vincent Astor. She comes in to get her hair colored. I'm going to set her up in a private room. She comes in and she said, "Oh, Antonio," she says, "I'm having a luncheon. I really have to, be out of here by 1 o'clock. She said, I need, the hair colored. You shampoo me out of here." And I said, "Oh yeah." I said, "I'm definitely here, whatever you need." But then she started taking off this jewel. She had this big encrusted emerald and diamond necklace and bracelets and big diamond rings and putting them on the sink. And I'm like, oh no, what if one of those things falls down the sink drain? I didn't know what to do. I went to Rosemary and said, "I'm terrified." I said, "The sink is covered like $1 million worth of diamonds and emeralds." She goes, "Oh, it's nothing." They do that all the time. So she calls security up, and up comes a security guard with a box. And then he walks into the room. He says, "Oh, Mrs. Astor," he said, I'm here to take your jewels down to the safe." She said, "Oh yeah, of course." And then I'm like, oh God, that's a relief. So things like that were going on all the time.